Hello everyone! Today we're going to discuss joint and bone pain, which can become more noticeable as we age, particularly affecting our knees, the primary support for our body's weight during daily activities. This discomfort often arises due to reduced flexibility and wear and tear over time. As we age, our bone density decreases, making our bones more susceptible to fractures and cracks. This is why it's crucial to take steps to maintain and improve joint health. One of the most common natural remedies for alleviating knee pain is regular exercise. Engaging in gentle exercises, such as walking, swimming, or yoga, can help improve flexibility and keep your joints strong. Another effective natural remedy is the use of heat and massage. Applying heat to the affected area can help to relax tight muscles and promote blood circulation, while massage can provide immediate relief from pain and inflammation. Additionally, incorporating fish oil or other joint-friendly omega-3 fatty acids into your diet can provide additional support for your joints and bones. In conclusion, it's essential to pay attention to our joint and bone health as we age in order to prevent further discomfort and limitations. By engaging in regular exercise, applying heat and massage, and maintaining a balanced diet, we can improve our overall joint and bone vitality, making even simple tasks easier and more enjoyable. Remember, sometimes the best way to alleviate pain is through natural, holistic approaches that prioritize self-care and well-being.